how to fix eBay payment error. So here's what you want to do. Open up eBay and sign into your account. Then we will hover over my eBay and go into summary. Now from here, we want to navigate to the account page. So just click on account and then payment information. You'll just click on payments here. Once you have done this, you will see all of your available payment methods here. And the first thing that I suggest doing is checking your information. You will click on add cards and accounts. Here we'll just go to checkout and you will put your payment information here. So if you're using PayPal, Venmo, make sure your login and password or that they are connected. And if you're using credit or debit card, make sure that all of the information is actually valid. So once you have done this, if it still doesn't work, then another thing that I suggest doing is using another browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, for example, try switching over to Firefox and vice versa. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.